Damn. But anyway, yeah. But right now, it's already 288 seconds. While we recorded it, we have uploaded one. Maybe on that. I have a question right now there. It's every people have that bang tao ay hindi matino dahil lamang sa kilos, dahil lamang sa kakaibang kilos, may dalang-dalang, may malaking kahoy, sasabihin baliw, na may nakasuot pang chaleco, sasabihin baliw, nakasuot pa ng ankle supporter, sasabihin bang baliw. At yan, narinig nyo, sasabihin ng busa ng for God's sakes. Ika nga, sarili ba nila yung matino, ibang tao pag sasabihin ng baliw, pero tanong ko sa kanila, sila ba ay matino ba sa ginagawa nila? Yun ang the question marks was there. Sa ngayon, nire-record ko lang to. Kahit pagsalita ako mag-isa. At ngayon, nakikita ko kung sino yung taon yun. Pero, aminin ko, minsan napipikon na ako minsan sa mga sinasabi nila. Oo, aminin ko. Habang nire-record ko to sa YouTube, nasa 362 seconds na. Minsan, kinokontrol ko sarili ko yung galit ko na yun. Tawagin nila weird, kukustin nila, pero at least, pero gano'n pa, hindi ako naghahanap ng gulo kasi yun lang kasi yung expression ko yun dito sa kada tao kasi sa nakikita nyo mga kaibigan na yun. Kung matatanggal ko lang yung webcam, makikita yun kung anong sitwasyon nyo dito na yun. Dahil hindi nila lahat ng kilala ng tao kung sino pagtitripan nila obviously hindi talaga nila kilala kung sino pinagtitripan nila. Ngayon, kung masaktan sila, sasabihin nila susumbong sila sa pulis dahil lamang sino may kasalanan? Sila rin. But anyway, maaari para sa kanila katuwaan nila pagtripan sila, pero ngayon kung sila man pagtripan, yan hindi ko alam kung sasagot nila sarili nila dahil problema nila ito. But anyway, pasensya na, medyo hindi ko na off yung audio ko kanina lang, so 4.9 seconds. Ngayon, kung maririnig ko yan by speaker, you will be the judge kung tama ba ang ginagawa nila. Okay, so after they begin doing it, it's just their word goddamn judgment. Okay, so right now, let's get a little bit show of my drawings right now, artworks right now here, and then repeating again. Who did it? The record did it. Or about this one, just for one. And how about a magic hand? Just a hand, up, down. Recording right now there. And how about the gang? This is from my colors 1, 3. See? Okay, that's me and the rest of the Emerald 7 Squadron. Pero kung makita nyo kung sino, kung kilala nyo, nakikita nyo kung sino nang trip sa akin, nangyayari nga. Anyway, for right now, I'm just arranging my works right now dito. So, inaayos ko lang kung bakit. But it's still on a purpose right now there. Well, it wasn't all good. This one is my artwork too, number 64. Kung kina-capture nila maigi that was nothing doing that, huh? No, si Lawrence na yun. And this is my title book right now. There. This one. Okay. Skull Blade Hunter Slayers. See? This is my oh, what? This is my character right now there. Okay. So, ayun, nag-rent lang ako ng time. 30 minutes lang ang time ko dito. Down. We found out. Tatago lang ang mukha nila.